Walmart app notifications can stop working when notification permissions are turned off, the app settings are changed, or the phone blocks alerts in the background. By the end, you'll know the most common reasons Walmart app notifications stop appearing, and the steps to check your phone and app settings to fix the issue. Start by checking whether notifications are enabled for the Walmart app on your phone. Your device controls whether an app can send alerts, so a blocked permission can prevent order updates, pickup alerts, or other notifications from appearing. On an iPhone, check the notification settings, and make sure Walmart is allowed to send alerts. On Android devices, open the app notification settings and confirm that Walmart notifications are turned on. Next, check the Walmart app itself. Open the app settings and review any notification preferences available for your account. If certain alerts are disabled inside the app, turning on the phone permission alone may not restore them. If notifications are still missing, update the Walmart app. App updates can include fixes for problems that affect performance, alerts, and account features. You can also try closing and reopening the app. A temporary app issue can prevent notifications from appearing correctly, and restarting the app can refresh the connection. If the problem continues, restart your phone. A device restart can fix temporary software issues that affect multiple apps, including notification delivery. Another step is checking your internet connection. Notifications depend on the app communicating with Walmart services, so a weak or interrupted connection can affect when alerts appear. If you recently changed phones, reinstalled the Walmart app, or changed account settings, review your login information. The app needs to be connected to the correct account to send account-related notifications. Avoid deleting and reinstalling the app as the first step. Check permissions, app settings, updates, and your account connection before taking that step. The main fixes are simple. First, confirm Walmart notifications are allowed on your phone. Second, check notification preferences inside the Walmart app. Third, update or restart the app and your device if alerts still do not appear. Your next step is to open your phone settings and verify Walmart notification permissions. If this guide helped you fix Walmart app notifications, like the video and subscribe for more customer support and app troubleshooting guides.